you ready?
Yeah.
Yeah, look at that. What's going on, guys? It's Chase and Russell here with The Journey, and today on this project right here, we've got some injectors that aren't flowing, and we're gonna bring you along on how we can fix them.
We're gonna clean them up. You wanna unplug them wires?
The injector wires?
Mm-hmm.
Right. To know.
20 bucks right there.
God, dog, we're losing gas.
20 bucks right there. You trying to hurt me?
I'm trying to. So now, golly. Got it? You got it? Strong man. Okay, just takes a couple wiggling.
Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle.
These things are in there. Oh, I see that. Oh man, look at all that gas. Boom. We're done. We got an empty fuel rail. Now we got injectors that need to be cleaned. You can see right inside there is dirty.
All right, so we just need to make something that'll fit over these. We need a battery too.
Just a 12-volt battery?
Yeah.
Okay.
Do we have a battery anywhere that's not on something?
All right, so I'm pulling the battery off of old Mac here so we can get 12-volt power to power those injectors to spray through the cleaner. All right, 12 volts.
So we just needed a way to pressurize these injectors. So I just took a piece of 3/8 transmission cooler hose and some vice grips, and I clamped the little hose for my carb cleaner in there, and then this just fits over the end of that, and it works surprisingly well. You know, it gives us just enough pressure and it works. And then I just took two little electrical connectors made for they're like the male end of a male-female prong style, and they fit right down in there and let us hook power to it. And then just from there you can hook it to your battery. You can hear if I get my mic real close, you can hear the injector opening up. But this one's like really clogged up, so we're going to soak it for a little while and try another one until we get some clean injectors. You gonna bring the battery where we can reach it?
Oh, touch one?
Now touch the other one. It's that clogged up. You hear it clicking?
Oh, I see it. It's super clogged. I think we're gonna have to soak them like.
Yeah. All right.
Try another one. All right, so we should have two bad injectors according to our tuner because two of the cylinders weren't firing.
Right.
So that means two of the injectors are clogged up, and we have already found two that aren't working.
So if we got more that aren't working, that means there was some line. Not line, but maybe they're just not working very well.
Yeah. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Yeah. Look at that.
All right.
So I think we found the two. So you can either buy, well, we still haven't fixed those.
No, we're gonna let these soak for about an hour and then come back in here because it's probably ethanol. The ethanol in the gas, we know that this truck's set for years. The donor truck for our LS set for a long time. So I'm sure the ethanol has clogged it all up. We're gonna let these sit for a little while and then come back and test this one more time. And if that doesn't fix it, we'll get us some more injectors.
New injectors. Put some like high performance ones on here.
Yeah, like O'Reilly's best.
I want to show y'all how hard. You know how hard it was to take these suckers out of this fuel rail? It's twice as hard getting them back in. Cleaning up as I'm going along. Boy, look how hard this is to go in. Oh, okay, I said something. I spoke too soon. That last one just popped in. I'm gonna try a different one. Let's see. See, that's what happened. Popped in. Magic. I was talking about how easily they went in and then it didn't go in easily.
That's how it goes. When you talk about how good something goes, it goes bad.
I was like, Wes, get the camera. Show how easy this goes in, and we're gonna talk about how hard it was, and then it freaking didn't work. Oh yeah, you just got spit on it.
What'd I tell you, bro? You was doubting me, wasn't you? You thought I was jacking with you.
No, I mean, I was thinking about it the whole time.
Everybody out there, when you've worked on things, especially in the body shop industry, I've had to spit on things to make them go on. And it does help. That spit is great lubricant.
It is. It just made this,
That injector popped right in there right after you spit on it. Here, hold on. I put some hair on this one. It'll probably go in even easier.
That ain't even right.
The spit helped. The hair's got to.
Yeah. Oh, wait. You gotta lick the injectors like this. Lick them. And look at that. That sucker went right in after you licked the injector. So tip of the day, lick your injectors.
Just lick the rubber parts.
Yeah, just the rubber part, not all the other stuff.
He doubted me. He really did doubt me.
I don't ever doubt Russell.
He thought I was jacking with him when
You
I
speak
said
the
it.
truth most of the time,
Do I?
unless you're jacking with me. Has it been an hour yet?
Not even close.
2 hours later.
We got our fuel injectors back in the rail back on the truck. Now we're gonna try the first crank up and see if she's running on all 8.
She gonna crunk up.
You wanna crank it? You want me to crank it?
I'll crunk it up.
Turn the key on, let it just
Yeah.
cycle for a second.
Did you hear it?
I don't know, crank it up.
It's not missing.
It's running smooth,
Oh yeah.
it's running real smooth. That sucker's running real smooth.
Yeah.
Dang, I want some air in the tire.
That tire's probably toast.
Yeah, Chase did another burnout,
Ooh, that was.
and these dry rotted tires,
Did not like it.
they done for.
Yeah.
So, we're pumped. The truck is running way smoother,
I'm ready to do a burnout on 8 cylinders now.
no doubt. Let's do a burnout on that flat one.
I'm not doing that.
Why not?
I don't want to.
Okay, no
I'm gonna do
burnout
it.
on the flat tire. Oh, he's gonna do it.
Let's do it.
Now, if it starts coming apart, I'll yell at you because we don't want to mess the body up.
Think it's gonna work? Oh, it's
A flat tire burnout.
oh golly.